Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Deadlines slipping through the cracks? Don't worry, today we'll introduce you to 7 incredible time management apps. First up, we have Trello. A favorite among teams, Trello organizes tasks into cards and lists using a Kanban board system. You can create boards for projects, track progress, and even add due dates, comments, and file attachments. Simple and visually appealing interface. Great for team collaboration. Free version is powerful. Not ideal for complex project management. Limited advanced reporting features. Next is Todoist, perfect for individuals or small teams. This app excels at creating to-do lists and prioritizing tasks. Smart reminders, organize tasks with labels and priorities, and cross-platform syncing. Intuitive interface, gamified productivity with a karma score, and works offline. Free version lacks advanced features, not as visual as Trello. For detailed project management, there's Asana. It's great for breaking larger projects into smaller tasks. It features timeline views, task dependencies, and custom fields. Robust collaboration tools and highly customizable. Steeper learning curve and limited functionality in the free version. Notion isn't just a time management app, it's your second brain. Combines notes, databases, and tasks in one place with customizable templates. Extremely versatile for personal and professional use. Can be overwhelming for new users. Mobile app can be clunky. Ever wonder where your time goes? Clockify helps you track how you spend your hours. Tracks billable hours and generates detailed reports. Works across devices. Free and feature-rich, great for freelancers. Manual time entry can be tedious, limited task management features. Stay focused with Focus Booster, which uses the Pomodoro technique. Timed work sessions with break reminders, tracks productivity. Simple, distraction-free environment encourages healthy work habits. Limited customization and premium features require a subscription. Finally, the classic Google Calendar. It's a time management powerhouse. Event scheduling, reminders, and integration with other Google services. Free and easy to use, works seamlessly across platforms. Limited project management features. There you have it. 7 amazing apps to transform the way you manage time. Which app is your favorite? Let us know in the